Thank you, Andy, for the introduction. Good afternoon. My name is Adam Gąsiorek. I'm R&D Director at Transition Technologies PSC, a Polish software house that have been working with PTC since 2005. I am in charge of all augmented reality related experiments, research and implementation. And today I want to present the example of how we applied a slightly modified idea of augmented reality called assisted reality to the manufacturing company. Before I jump into the use case, let me say a few words about the company. So we started 12 years ago with PTC with 12 people working directly on Airbus project. Now we have more than 200 employees working with customer success team, 50 other engineers working with PTC R&D, and also our team, our solution center is available to PTC partners. And without those 12 years of close partnership, we built expertise in PLM, IoT, and especially in augmented reality. So that puts us in a good position for recent use cases around Industry 4.0. Let me bring you the example of Italian machinery producer. They deliver shrink wrapping machines for food and beverage processing. We came across them during one of the European research project for so-called factories of the future. So it perfectly fits what Andy said about fourth industrial revolution. I showed them our AR prototypes, AR experiments, and they say, wow, this is great and great timing because our after-sales support business unit is subject of transition, transformation. We want to make this business more profitable and more competitive, and we need an AR strategy to do that. So they asked us for help. We sat together, we compared our AR capabilities, our prototypes, compare against available software, stack, devices like that, and their needs, their business drivers. And we came into a decision that to validate this AR strategy to make the customer service business more profitable, we will select two use cases. First, with high quality training content delivery on HoloLens and very rich 3D content. And second, with the assisted reality, that there is no 3D augmentation, but the goal was to support operators almost in real time with good, clear insight to IoT data, to KPI of the machines, to the documentation, like drawings, manuals, and then maintenance movies, and the maintenance instructions. So that was the realization of this idea how technical capabilities and the business expertise that the domain, industry domain, put together can demonstrate the value of the transformation. This is an Acme machine, shrink wrapping machine that is 50 feet long and has more than 60 operation points, so an operator can do some reconfiguration and tweaks in 60 places in this machine to adjust the machine to changing production orders. And we prepared an extension to ThingWorks Studio and ThingWorks View and several new widgets and experience templates to give to the operators access to KPI data, machine documentation, and maintenance procedures. And it was really crazy project with high pace. We just work with the customer interfaces. So first week we created together the concept, then in 4 weeks we did an implementation and we explored various ways of the user experience, how to deliver the meaningful information at the right time on such a small display like with this device. And well, let me present you the result on a short demo movie to present what is the user experience inside ThingWorks Studio, how we can make the content altering for such a clever wearable device, and what is the end result from the operator point of view. So we introduced new type of the project, we introduced new widget with the glimpsability first in mind, which means to have simple mini mashups with big fonts, with color coding, so the operator will not have to spend more than 3 seconds to have a glance on the screen and consume the data. We also wanted to deliver hands-free experience, so our extensions work around text-to-speech functionality, so the device can read the instruction to the operator, so even one does not need to look at the display, you can just hear the instructions. Also voice navigation was an important factor with this hands-free experience, and of course at the end we came up that we can just prepare a reusable template for the experience, so the experience can be replicable in other similar use cases. Assisted reality. KPI panel.
Sunscreen in 450 hours.
Play procedure.
Remove the protection by loosening the force screw highlighted.
Next.
Manually rotate the blade support until you find the fixing screw.
PDF gallery. Tunnel manual. Next page. Zoom level 2. Video gallery. Play.